Good morning, students. Children, waste are generated every day, and we discussed in the previous module that tons and tons, huge amount of waste is produced or generated every day. You just take your home or the school you study or in the offices where your father or other family members work. You just imagine that if so much waste is generated in these places, how much amount of waste would be generated throughout the world. So huge amount of waste is generated, you understand it. And this waste which is generated, which is thrown away, are of different types of different materials, and depending on that we have categorized, broadly divided the waste into two, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Now children, there is another one called e-waste, where we will discuss that how the waste products which are related to computers or your CDs or your pen drives, they are taken account of. Okay, that we will discuss in another module. So coming to biodegradable waste, they are something which rot easily. Rot means, I told you, kharab ho jata hai jaldi, and they mix with the soil. You take the vegetable or fruit peel and throw it in the soil and watch it, observe it for 2-3 days. You will see, of course, it will rot and it will give us bad smell, and the skin will become very, damp, and the skin of those waste products, the peel you have thrown, will be wet and giving you a bad smell. But after few days, maybe after a week, you will find that it has mixed with the soil. You cannot find it, because what happens, children, microorganisms, small, we have studied about microbes. There are like bacteria and fungi, and we have studied about protozoa and virus. Children, these microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and even the earthworms, I will come to earthworm, microorganisms, what they do, they mix with those waste and they make it rotten, and then it is mixing with the soil, because we are throwing the waste in some dump here. In some places, first you throw it in the dustbin, and from dustbin it goes to some big dustbin, maybe, are carried with the, sometimes those people coming with the big baskets, or maybe a big bin or trucks they carry, and then they throw it in the areas where it is a dumping yard, where the waste material. You must have seen many places when you travel to Baroda or Ahmedabad. There are places, there are open areas which have formed like hills. Okay, you see it through, if you pass on the highway, you will see after the Baroda city, there is the dumping yard, and that has formed like as if it is a small hill. And because we are dumping the waste every day, and that material is piling up. Children, this biodegradable waste mixes with the soil, and even the earthworms. As you know, earthworms are called farmers' friend, because they keep on digging the soil and they mix this waste into the soil. And this actually forms, it takes of course millions of years to form your natural or mineral resources, which is very important. Now coming to the examples of different biodegradable waste, children, they are your leftover food, everyday some food material which you eat. The waste is generated, you throw those things which you don't eat. Okay, so leftover food is there. Fruits and vegetable peels, you must have seen your mother while cooking, she cuts the vegetables and fruits and take out the skin and throw it in the waste bins, okay, and that also mix with the soil and they form the manure. It's good for our soil because they rot and they form the organic fertilizer or manure. Then leaves every day from the trees and plants, dead leaves, they fall and they remain. Now if you have a garden, you must have seen the fallen leaves in your garden and they remain for maybe a week or a couple of weeks. After that, have you seen those things? Okay, another layer of leaves will fall, but those leaves which rot and they mix slowly they decompose and mix in the soil and they form the organic manure. It's good for the soil, quality of soil. Paper which we get from the trees, they are also, you throw the paper and just wait and see what happens to it. Animal manures, animals waste products, human feces, that is the waste products taken out by the human beings, and dead plants and animals. These are some of the examples of biodegradable waste which mix with the soil, which actually rots easily and mix with the soil, and they help to form the natural resources like mineral resources, and the quality of the soil is improved due to, they become an organic manure. So this is all about biodegradable waste. Thank you, children.